Do you want to learn how you can create passive income online? And don't worry, you don't need to invest on tools. You don't even need to be on camera. You don't need to be recording videos, and you don't need to be sharing your affiliate links. This is something totally different, and this is actually beginner friendly. This is the newest way in which beginners are actually crushing. They're making their first dollars online, their first $1,000 per month, even $10,000 per month. And don't worry, this is not something crazy. It's actually really simple. This is called the Amazon Associate Programs, in which complete beginners are actually making a living. They're having the opportunity to replace their 9 to 5, and they just start making money online for the very first time. If you want to get more information about this, the full details, comment passive, and I'm gonna be sending you all the information. Don't sleep on this, guys. This is an opportunity that's actually changing